Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you now how to order products on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here. I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp. And then this contact right here, reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, asked me to place order for this particular product right here. So you can see the product link right here. And I decided to make a video about it and show you on how we actually place order for this particular product on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. You can see my chart with this person right here, and they later change the quantity of this product to just 4 pieces. So let's see how we actually do just 4 pieces right here. So let's get started. The very first thing we want to do, you can see I have already worked on the order right here. So you can see we are buying just 4 quantity at the price of it. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here just to open the product link like so. So this is the product link right here. I will go ahead and simply click on the product link. So having click on the product link is going to automatically redirect me to this particular page right here. So this is the product picture right here. The more we scroll down, the more we see product picture, just like so. However, this is depends on the number of the product picture that has been added by different store. Okay, that will determine the number of product graphics you are going to see. However, once you are satisfied with the product, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on here to reach out with the seller, discuss with them about what you need about the product. To make this particular tutorial go short, I have already done that. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I add the product to cart and proceed to purchase. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to get to my profile, I need to click on here to proceed. So my profile right here, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to check the product in my cart. So here we go. You can see the same product right here. So quantity we need is 4 without, just like what you see right here. So the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we make payment for this particular order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation business like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select the product. Having selected the product, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Now from the checkout right here, we want to make sure that we use the means of payment. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use my Alipay. So for that, I will simply switch to Alipay. Having selected my Alipay, I'm paying the sum of 53.71 yen to purchase the 4 pieces of this particular solar panel and the light right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Now payment done successfully, just like what you see right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on done right here. I'll go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. Then go back to my profile. By the time I refresh, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So we have it right here. It's that simple. Lastly, I'm going to exit from my Pinduoduo right here, come back to my WhatsApp, and send a proof of payment to the person that asked me to buy this particular product. For that, I'm going to click on gallery right here, select proof of payment, and say payment done. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on Pinduoduo, however, 1688, Idle Fish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.